Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. What a short covering rally today, and nobody expected this kind of short covering in the morning. In the pre-market, Nifty indicated opening more than 500 point down. I always tell in the pre-market between 9 and 903, if market showing big negative, the markets are likely to move higher. And if Nifty shows very big positive, then it's likely to come down. Because the people who want to cover their shorts, they will make the people to become bearish. That's why they show such a big negative. However, opening was not very big down. 30, 40 points in Nifty, the Bank Nifty about 100 points. But L&T fell 5-6% because of its results. And Dr. Reddy also fell. So quickly, Bank Nifty started the short covering, and especially HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. And incidentally, both these stocks were higher in US yesterday night. They both opened lower and quickly recovered. The huge short covering in Bank Nifty led the markets higher. Bank Nifty has shot up more than 1,000 points from intraday low to intraday high. In the last 1 month, Bank Nifty has fallen more than 2,000 point or nearly 2,000 point from intraday high to low on 2 trading sessions. And today, one trading session, Bank Nifty has shot up more than 1,000 points from intraday low to high. So this is the kind of volatility the markets are going through. I used to tell my friends, bull market, only investors make money. Traders is very, very difficult. Why? Because markets will move very quickly higher, then very quickly it will fall. The markets will be too volatile. Between 2003 and 2007, though Nifty shot up 700%, 7 times, 10 times markets corrected more than 10%, and 2 times market corrected more than 20%, and 1 time market corrected more than 30%. So that is the kind of volatility we have started seeing in the year 2024. And just in a matter of 1 month, and Bank Nifty falling 2,000 point on 2 days, shooting up 1,000 point on 1 day. Other days are also, they are very big. 500, 600, 700 point move on either side has become a very, very normal thing. And markets are too volatile. Probably, once the Fed meeting is over, once the budget is over, the market may get into some kind of a sanity. And good thing is that, the markets did not close below 21,500. So that is something positive. In fact, technically, markets are slightly started looking bullish. I do follow certain technical analysis, but I do follow on a daily chart. But in daily chart, though markets are not bullish, on hourly chart, the markets are looking bullish. So if everything goes well, and if Fed meeting goes in our way, nobody is expecting Fed to increase the rate, but markets will be focusing on Fed chairman's comment. If he gives a dovish comment, then the US markets may move higher. Dow is already at all-time high, but technology stocks like Microsoft and Google, so Google has fallen more than 6% due to its result. So if they start recovering, and tomorrow we can see again gap up. FII data I have not checked yet because I'm leaving for the airport. So I'm recording this even before that. So I will have no time to see. But if FIIs change their mind and if they start buying, and then the rally can resume. So tomorrow, if there is no unpleasant surprise in budget, we can expect some pleasant surprises also. If there is any excise duty cut on petrol and diesel, then rate sensitive stocks, like autos and banking stocks may move higher. Probably the people have decided to square up their shorts ahead of the budget. So that is why such a big rally has actually happened. So today, Nifty future closed around 21,800. So as I told you, Nifty spot has to take out 21,835. So for the bullish momentum to start. But in all likelihood, tomorrow we will make some difference. As I told you, if there is no negative surprise in the budget, the markets can rally towards 22,000 to 22,100. So in the next few trading sessions. So that is the hope for the bulls. The hope for the bears is that, FII is continuously selling. In the month of January, they have sold about 38,000 crores. So and so on. And technically also, markets are not looking bullish on a daily chart. So markets can be volatile, and tomorrow you will see even more volatility until the budget speech is over. So tomorrow the first half of the session will be more volatile. In the last 5 minutes, I was checking, Nifty is coming down, but call premiums are shooting up, and especially far out of the money call options like 22,200, 22,300 call was trading around 13 rupees at the end of the day. So that is a decent 600 point higher from the current level. So you can see the kind of volatility. So that is happening in budget day, for tomorrow expiry. So option premiums are so lucrative on both the sides, and tomorrow everything will come down. And tomorrow I'm expecting volatility index to come down at least by 5% at the end of the day. So let us see where the market is going to open tomorrow, where it's going to end tomorrow. And in Twitter, I posted a strategy. So one of my friends asked me to give some bullish strategy. He was bullish for budget tomorrow. So then I asked him, so you are bullish, but how bullish are you? He said 22,000 is the target. So I suggested him to buy 21,700 call and sell 3 times 22,000 call. So if market closes around 22,000, he will make a fantastic profit. Of course, this strategy is without some hedges, and the premium, it was a debit strategy. So in order to make it a credit strategy, I suggested him to sell 2 put options at 21,200. So the logic is very simple. 21,100 was a big support, but since market has become bullish, so 21,200 can be considered as a support for tomorrow expiry. Of course, resistance will be around 22,000. So if the market closes between 21,700 to 22,000, my friend is likely to make a good profit tomorrow. So I will give you the update tomorrow evening whether he is going to make profit or not. So definitely, if he makes a good profit, so this weekend treat will be on him. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.